Okay, here comes another truckload. Okay, we are here at Serge's job. So he's moving out some wood for us, lots of beetle kill. It's 11 degrees above today, no wind down here in Wasilla, Alaska. This is one of the first jobs they've done in 10 weeks because of the cold weather. You see the mountains off in the distance here, gonna have some nice sunshine. That's a big ugly birch. We'll send that down to John at Frickin' Jeep. He likes that ugly wood. If you've been watching his channel, he's had some nasty firewood to cut up. Well, I'll get dressed and we'll get cutting up here. Welcome back to Alaska Woodyard. It is Friday morning and we got the call.
We got the call. Yippee!
So as you can see, as I open in one of our clips here, we're at Serge's job down in Wasilla. It is 10 above here on this 10 o'clock Friday morning. And he's got lots of nice beetle kill spruce and some birch for us. So it's been cold down here, so normally he cuts in the winter, but it's been so cold he hasn't been able to be out and do a job. So I'm going to hand the camera over to Jill, and I'm going to get started loading here. The loader might be a little bit cold when I first start off, so be patient with us.
Okay.
And we have some more information on the Cord King, and if you know anybody's looking for a machine, we will deliver that to the lower 48 for free. We're going down to Tennessee the first week in March, and we can bring it all the way down. We're coming through Canada, North Dakota, all the way down through to Tennessee, so we can drop it off anywhere en route, or we can bring it to the Tennessee show.
No?
Chattanooga, Tennessee. I think it's in that area somewhere. So anyway, I'll hand over the camera to Jill and stay with us.
Well, Serge has already got his pile started to burn. I've already been picking up over here a little bit, and he'll come with the excavator and grab all of this and throw it in over there at the burn pile. You can tell there's almost no wind. It is absolutely cool today. But this will be really nice for my bundles and for the processor. I think it's been about 7 or 8 weeks since we got a call to come and pick up wood. It's been so cold, nobody's been working. It's really hard on the equipment, especially with all that wind we had for those 5 weeks. Jeff is getting a lot of the birch down on the bottom of our trailer, and then because the spruce is a lot lighter, he can pile it up on top of this, but keep the weight down. So what I end up doing while Jeff is trimming up the logs, I have a measuring stick. It's 4-foot measuring stick, and I mark out 16 feet. So he's already sawed these up after I marked them. And now he's just picking through to see what we have already cut, and kind of get some stuff out of the way and on the trailer so we can cut some more. So what Jeff is doing now is he's able to bring some of these logs down so we can measure them out. He can saw them and we can get them loaded on the trailer. He's made some room for us to work. Well, we've just about got this load finished off. Jeff's got a couple of more logs. And we'll end up coming back tomorrow and finishing it up. Because we'll have to bring the 550. Let me show you over here that fire that Serge has got going on. Now that's a bonfire. Okay. We just have to strap it down now and we'll be on our way. But there's that burl. I can't wait to get that on the lathe. Give you an idea of how big that thing is. That's my hand. It's huge.
So in the Alaska Woodyard, we keep the sawdust flying. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.